Nice, you got the goods, bring them to the shop. We're here, we're operational, doing business. All right, see you then, bye. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just making business calls in my new office. All right, guys, I got a little carried away, to be honest with you. Now this here, as you can see in the background, is painted. What we're doing today is we're painting the entire shop. It's all getting white. I'm like, I got paint all over me. I'm like white. I'm like Ace Ventura when he's at the thing, you know, and he's all white. I've decided to do like a primer all over the entire place. The entire place is gonna be primered white. Honestly, I'm probably gonna leave the primer on the ceiling. You can see it here, not there, here, not there. So I'm probably gonna leave the primer on the ceiling because it covered the old water spots. I look super weird with this paint on my face. I don't even know what's going on. I have not decided what color we're gonna do on the walls. Should we keep it white and bright like the ceiling? Or should we do a color like a two-tone or like split it in half? I don't know. Comment below what you guys think we should do with the shop walls. As for now, down here, here's what I got. So I came in, I got carried away. Honestly, I forgot to turn the camera on. I came in, I was in my zone, I fired up the Harbor Freight sprayer, and I just started going. So what we got is I started at the door, at this door, and did all the high stuff. So like I got my little table I'm standing on down there. I did the whole entire ceiling all the way down. So you can see some water spots kind of shown through as the paint dries. So I don't know, is that really a huge deal? Do you guys care about that? Because I don't know if I do, I don't know if I don't. I'm sure when I'm editing these videos, I'm like, man, it looks like crap. Probably go back through, touch those up, but we'll see. So I did all the high stuff, you know, went down the walls just a little bit on each side. This foam here, this foam insulation, actually covers not too bad. So I will tell you, this is not like a paint sprayer review, but this Harbor Freight sprayer right here, the good old, what's it even called? No sponsorship here. Kraus and Becker. Kraus and Becker. What are they trying to rip off? Black & Decker. Airless paint sprayer, 5/8 horsepower, I think it is, or whatever. This thing is legit. All right, guys, we're gonna get to a stopping point. We're gonna check out my setup in just a second. It's kind of funny. So anyways, we just cooked through 5 more gallons. I was able to get, like right here, a little bit off of this beam part, all the way over. I was able to get the top side of the back wall where the doors are, all the way over. Oh yeah, I got all this ceiling too here on this side of the beam. All this ceiling. And I stopped. You can see my line right there. So I gotta do that little bit and then come down that wall. I did come down the door, so you can see the garage door. Yeah, see right where I stopped. So I got to do that last little bit, and then the top side of that side of the beam will be done. I literally had paint all over my face, like all over it. I just took a Gojo wipe. Now I'm sure there's some like legit painters out there who are gonna be like, dude, what are you doing, bro? You paint over it. I don't know, I'm winging it. The overspray in here is real. I should have like a full paint suit on, full mask, but I just have a little paper mask, glasses, and then I'm just spraying it. But anyways, let's check out the setup. Guys, I'm gonna give like a literal like 10 out of 10 deal to this Harbor Freight sprayer. This thing was 160 bucks and it is super legit. Also, I'm running it off a generator. I'm still waiting for the light company to come in and turn the power on. Power is still out, unfortunately. So I am running 2 extension cords and a generator outside. All right, guys, final day of primer is done. We have the entire place primered. So this is probably staying like that. What'd you say? We did all of the doors primer. So we went a little heavier on these doors and this wall because what you see is what you get. That's staying like that. Ceiling is primered, that's staying like that. Back wall is lightly primered. Went a little heavy right there and then decided to go light because we're gonna paint that maybe like an off gray. I still need you guys' help on finishing the back wall. What color should we do? But yeah, so the only thing that we have yet to change is the back wall. We'll do that a color and then everything else is done. Well, this wall too. We're gonna paint this wall. So this wall and then that wall all the way down. What are you guys doing down there? This is the team making their YouTube debut. You guys know JB. You already know JB. This is Uncle Dan. Hey, hold on. We can't fill this too full. What? Because we have to put stuff out of the trailer in here to get the toolbox. So we just need a little area in the front.
What's in the trailer? Is it garbage?
There's two the long benches from a church.
Or is your dad using them or is he throwing them away?
He's using them.
He's got a week.
And then there's a dresser.
There's a week.
There's a dresser. And then there's
okay, you gotta
something else.
The ladder or the
Let's
church
put the
piece.
ladder up right here.
It don't fit.
Up there, up against the wall.
It's too tall.
No. Hold this.
So here's our old lights.
Hold this.
16-footer.
We I don't think we're gonna use those. They're pretty nasty. We kind of went through and picked the best ones just to put up temporarily to get some light in here. But guys, I'm pumped. This is sick. Huge deal today. I've been painting like forever. I got paint all on my nose. It's been nasty spraying this.
Hey, you're going towards the bulb. You're sitting down the bulb.
They're gonna shatter all those lights in there. All right, I did forget to paint something. I was gonna paint this old bench here white because I'm gonna use it. I mean, and it's worked. Forgot to paint it. We're out of paint, and I just cleaned the sprayer, so it's probably gonna look like crap and be wood for a little while in the videos. Cool. What'd you say?
I got me a big old bobcat.